Hello, Ted Morrison here. Just put the sign up at our newest Henderson area listing, and we are in the heart of Green Valley. And 22 Quiet Desert is a spectacular 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, 1870 square foot, recently remodeled. And I love the floor plan here. You have the kitchen is beautiful, lots of cabinet space and granite countertops. And then the most amazing part of this home is the spectacular resort style backyard with 0 entry-level pool and waterfall, Palapas, an 8-person above-ground jacuzzi. It's going to be priced in the mid-500s to sell. Won't last long. If you'd like to set up your own private tour, please contact us today. And once again, thank you for joining us today.